Welcome to the GW community. My name is Rodney Johnson. I serve as Executive Director of the Office of Parent Services. The Office of Parent Services works with the Colonial Inauguration staff to give you and your students an introduction to life at the George Washington University. As a parent of an incoming freshman attending Colonial Inauguration, you would attend seminars, you would attend info sessions, you'll meet staff, you'll meet faculty, you'll meet deans. During social events and meals, you will have chances to interact with other parents of incoming students. Sessions that you would attend would include topics on housing, internships, study abroad, dining, safety, and other items. The Office of Parent Services serves as your link to the university. Parents can get in touch with the Office of Parent Services by going to gwired.gwu.edu/parents, or they can call at 202-994-2305. We look forward to seeing you at Colonial Inauguration, Move-In, and Colonials Weekend. Congratulations, parents, and welcome to the George Washington University.